No, just push the button.
Oh, push the button.
Yes, sir.
I've never used one of these. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'm Christopher Yates with Southern Sugar Leaf in Dixon County. We are a Tennessee Department of Agriculture licensed food manufacturer. So labeling is very important to us. We understand why that matters for the same reasons it does in the alcohol industry. We've always been about consumer safety from day one, and we do want to see regulations. That's why we support bills like House Bill 1960, and anything else we can do with that would be great. So what this for us is about is our consumers, which are people like veterans and my parents, you know, and people who benefit from this for whatever reasons they have. We don't make medical claims. We're very clear about that. But that being said, that's what I have to say, and I appreciate you guys doing what you do. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very